When you see the difference when a hit make a drop, when the hit make a drop, a bang.
A few moments later.
So Masicka come off a vacation and go straight to number 1 on iTunes.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Yo, they wanna know what I'm up to. Making money as usual. They on the island with few gal.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
When you don't know one Media Fox when you happy now. People, Jano, you see Masicka drop a song and you don't know the song, it's a good song. Yeah, it's a song you can just listen to and you know, all our meds is go on easy and thing, but it's a alright song. You know, it can meds, yeah, you don't know a Def Jam. A Def Jam, I guess maybe that song is gonna be part of time album. You see me, because a Def Jam a part of that project, yeah, and it can go on people. You don't know Masicka, you know Masicka. I just see like regular Masicka, like one of them songs they were neutral. You understand? Yeah, just one of them songs. But you don't know the Crocs them go forward out, them gonna say yo a hit. And when his song could have dropped 1 hour ago, them say a hit. You see me? You know them stay already. They just hot up a bag of hot song and you know, and through the song go number 1, them say yo a hit. But you don't know Def Jam behind the song, every little thing, you don't know it's gonna reach number 1. Yeah, fine. It's a good look. See me at the end of the day. You see me, but you don't know the Crocs them are forward out with them. The Lulu talk more while, you see it? But hear what that brother say.
Then just speak up. Eh? How do you see the custom these people in the custom house? One time Masicka, a long time around, I won't do Masicka. One time, a long time. You see the difference? When you see the difference when a hit make a drop, when the hit make a drop, a bang.
Yo, nah, man, tell you, say, yo, the man forget a movie for themselves. They want to say, yo, so when I hit make a drop, Jaja, yo. I tell you, say, we don't live in our world, you know, dog. And him point up, and I think him say, like, I guess him say the song got number 1 on the iTunes. You see me? Yeah, you know, the number 1 on the iTunes is a hype, because that been going on a long time, but I don't know, it come with a hype thing, you know, and a trending thing, you know. I guess it's just for the moment, you understand, but it's good for see the fans them buy the music, the man thing, you know, you buy the artist music, you see me, because before that singles that drop, never hit no number 1 on them thing, you see me, but it's a good look same way, you see it?
Beat bang out drop down here. One side to the long side, man. Just to believe, man. One sucker there. Tell him from a all the time, you know, though. Oh.
Yo, me not lie still no people. You know, so the Crocs fans them come like them artists. Yeah, man, the little Crocs them come like them artists. A bag of chatting. Just a bag of chatting, bro. Them chat the toughest. Yeah, man.
Ready for the weather, we go retrieve Yo.
Yeah, man, so see our next Crocs are run out. So here we go on.
They wanna know what I'm up to. Making money as usual. They on the island with few gal. Man, we love this life.
Yo. Yo, dog, that's one nice one, bro. Jano youth, man, telling people. Yo, the Crocs them need an award, brother. Man, tell them, man, they need an award, bro. You see it? Man, tell them, bro. We just hear them, we just have to laugh, dog.
Yo, hear me out now, man. You know, see it, man. Masicka just dropped him new track. I'm going to tell you, say, yo, bud, you see me? Oh, yeah, I say, man, the crocodile step out, man. Bumbo cloth, make them see the leather. You hear me tell you? Oh, yeah, I say, man, artists, rate the swag. For me, personal, me I tell you, me rate when EG goes up bouncing. You see me, I have that melody swag there. You see me, I did, and I get the message straight across. Yeah, man. Me I tell you, man. Me I tell you, say, yo, listen me, man. Masicka, that one about. Me rate the vibration. You hear me tell you? You see it? Yeah, man. That's how you think set up, man. We love to see the music, man. You hear me tell you? I want to, man. Go and go check it out, my peeps, and see what I go on. You see me? Video out. Black, gold, green DNA.
Yeah, man. So, you don't know. Nico Fire run out. You see me? Yeah. Jano, you know, say, people look on that picture, yeah. Jano, you look away. You know, say, it look like the man head spin upside down. Like him chin there, him head top, and him head there under him chin with the ear. You see it, people? Jano, dog. But, how you Nico Fire say?
So Masicka come off a vacation and go straight to number 1 on iTunes and move on the number 2. No, sir, life I've seen from Masicka. But yo, me listen to his song, body, bad.
People, you know why I'm attacks, alright? I threw him and the Gaza people in back and forth, so that's why him and father what an attack, so I want to get into them feelings, you see me? But man, father for vacation. Which vacation? You don't know Masicka stay already, brother. Masicka always drop song, brother, when dancehall dip on a little. It's like when the hype, when the little Ray, him not like in the saga thing and Ray. I saw him drop music when everything dwiggle down. You see if him did drop the song like in the hard time with the rhythm and everything, it'd be a different thing. But him wait till everything died down. Remember man drop a pre-release 3 weeks ago, you know. You see me? But he might drop it now because you don't know the rhythm thing with DJ Mac. That little thing that kind of out little now. So yeah, I'm just drop it. But you don't know Nico Fire and the Gaza people in my war and thing and I do a little thing. So you know I'm going to forward out and prep up Masicka song. You see it? Yeah, but as me say, it's a okay song. It's just a regular Masicka song. You see me? With the melody them and all of them little thing. You see it? Yeah, I know nothing where to top tier and yeah, and him fan them go buy it or whatever, or you don't know the label I push it or promote it, everything. You see me?
But them say Tamale win the clash. So if Tamale win the clash, I bet Tamale there. I know me can't see Tamale on the iTunes chart. I know me not, you know, at song front in Japan song what they are still about it. But I know me not see my dominate. And look up.
Bro, you have to remember saying bro, like from Tamale, you see the prison thing or that Tamale career. From Tamale go prison and forward out, it's like after that, the energy we did have before, it just, you see me? Where they are just through the little clash thing and the little Gaza thing, brother. Like, you see me? The Gaza never really did a rip Tamale like that. From Cartel forward out, you see me? Them not really made Tamale like that. Tamale just, I do him thing, like, you know? You must say things happen in the past, bro. And, you know, them Cartel fans just have focus on him. Them can see him now and, you know, he might update them all the time. He might show them everything what him do. So them not have time for meds Tamale. I just show the Masicka thing now and the clash. That's why them did that push up Tamale. But once the clash done, them say yo back to regular business. You see me? I just saw the thing set. You see it? Because after that Tamale I drop this, I drop that. I just saw the thing set, bro.
Dancehall night 2026. Mac with him a go on good. The artist them a go on good. Nico Fire but not look about them we a walk with purse. Real man no purse. So me about some merch here. I go send way. Now man in upon DHL.
Yo, I want one thing I can say with that brother, yeah. Him chat some shaggy more while, but look at now. He's a very smart youth. Him use a little highlight where him a get and promote him business. Him use it, at least him a use it for gain something. You understand? Yeah, that's how me rate. He must say I sell him like a t-shirt then with name and all of them. Him a do him thing. You see me? That's all me can say. But more while him chat some shaggy in the internet. You see it?
You understand? And Masicka come back off a vacation and I lock down dancehall already. Life I've seen. No sir, dancehall nice man.
Man say lockdown. Bro, the man just dropped the song. Man say lockdown dancehall, brother. Yo, them man, I know them man talk saying, bro. Me don't know how them. Yes, it's more while I just the internet kind of fool people, you know. Yeah, because the reason why that right now, the rhythm thing kind of fade away now, you see me? Yeah. But I don't know people. This way, myself.
Dancehall nice. Tamale, oh yeah, there, wake up, man. Wake up.
But bro, Tamale release song all of them little thing there, brother. It's just that the attention not really there around him, bro. I just saw the thing said. The attention not there on the man, dog. So I don't know what you try to say, brother. You see me? I don't know what you try to say. So people, I want to look on that video, you know, cause I don't know, bro, like I don't know Masicka thing, I don't know, dog. So basically, Alkaline do a video in a 2024 Zine, No Rival, and Masicka do. But it's like the scene just look parallel, dog. Like the thing just look the same. So the top video, Zine, the top video, Alkaline video, Zine, and then you don't know the other video, yeah, would that be Masicka. Scene? But look here now, you see the ear shot with Masicka right here, so down on the cemetery, right? Alright, and then up at the top here, so you go see Alkaline driving in the Lamborghini Euros or something like so, you see me? You know, the Lamborghini Jeep. See, so look what I go on now. So the two car them are driving at the cemetery. You don't know Masicka in the Maybach Jeep, Alkaline in the Lamborghini Jeep. You understand? Alright, see Alkaline ear view at the cemetery you know. Masicka one was before. Let me show you Masicka ear view. See Masicka ear view there under the Alkaline video. You see it? Then you go see Alkaline ear view now at the cemetery. So Alkaline ear view there. See it? Then you see when them come out of the vehicle now. You see me alright? See two car them there. See it? Look. You see it? Same timing you know. Lamborghini sign and show on the front of the vehicle right there so for Masicka one. You see it? Yeah. So I don't know who really them video thing just look. When I see it, I say that video look like a video when I see already, you know. You see it? I don't know, but you know the history. I don't know Masicka, I don't know. But I guess them direct the video. I don't know if I must Def Jam them do it or what, but I don't know. You know the cemetery thing, it kinda looks similar to Alkaline one. So I don't know. You can't tell me people, but it's like when I watch the Masicka video and I see the video, it's like it make me remember the Alkaline video. Yeah, and no rival, the scene, the entering and the cemetery and everything. So I don't really know, like, I don't know. A lot of things Alkaline do, I see Masicka kinda do the same thing. You understand? I don't know, but I say go nothing wrong. If a man see a man and he can inspire, you see me? Yeah, he can do him thing. You see it, but that's something more me pick up and me see what I go on. You see it? We don't know Masicka thing go already. You see me? But Masicka do him thing, dog. You see it? Him a do him thing. You see me? When me could have said now about him releases him song, I kinda realize anytime I release Def Jam song, some of the time them release it in a way like them put a premiere thing or so, not premiere. Sometimes them premiere it and sometimes like them put a notification and say yo that song I got drop at this time. See? But them preview the song like 3 weeks ago, bro. Like you see more while, bro. Sometimes when you can just drop music, the preview thing, bro, I feel like it don't make no sense, dog. That kinda kill the moment. Rather than when you drop the bomb, it just surprise everybody. But when you drop the preview and then we after, bro, it's like it even make no sense. And the worst thing is like when people listen to preview and they say, yo, this sound like a just regular song, and then when you end up listening to everything, it's like, yo, journal. But I don't know how I'm release music like that. You see me? If you have drop song, it does drop song, brother. But the preview thing, it not make no sense, bro. You see me? Just drop your song, them all of them look good thing there. But you don't know. The rhythm thing kinda get cool long and easier now. So you don't know when Masicka drop him song, you know the Crocs I'm gonna hype it up. Yo, this, that, it's. Cause I remember you know them say Masicka get what? 20 hits last year, then say. I'll heap ya. That them say, you know. You know them been a hype up Masicka thing, but in reality, bro, like when him go up on the stages and sing these same songs, bro, it's like the people them just look on him so yo, what happened? Like the reaction towards the song them on him performance, bro. The only song when me can say yo Ray him kinda get a little Ray with like the real way, brother. You understand? I the same song with him. Whites, bro. Like is me even they don't know I'm biggest song, but it's like Whites get more crowd reaction than they don't know. You understand? Because if you realize Masicka music, it not really age like that. It's like them morely hype up the recent songs them. You see me? Yeah, the recent songs them really hype up. You see me? And that's not one good thing because you know you're supposed to have songs where you can go out on stage and perform for like 45 minutes and you know, yeah, rocky crowd the wheel where the people them a sing. You see me? Yeah, but he might do him thing, a good artist. You see me, he have some good songs. You see me, but I guess he have some other more improvement for deal with. You see it? The song where him drop, Life of Sins, yeah, it's a song where you can listen to and meds, but it's just a regular, normal. It's like, to me, it's like a they don't know. song. You see me? They don't know. Yeah. Or our next umbrella song, yeah. I don't know nothing really where, you know, or differently, but it's a good song. You can listen to it. It's a song where it's a meditation song, yeah, you can go on, but I don't know nothing where outside of the box like that. You see what I try to say? But the artist are doing thing. If he might do something on it at work, him just do it. You see me? But certain things have a limit. You see me? Everything have a limit. You see me? Because you know some song them Japan them say same flow, same this, same that. And then when it's like that more time, it's like it does easy for die out because the same thing. You see me? Song when him do. Right now most of them song them when him do are like in the early 2020s. You understand? But like before that in the teens, in majority not really, you know? Yeah, like that. But I saw things said him have a lot to learn. You understand? All me say these songs where I sing, you know, him should and I can perform them for kind of rock the crowd on the stage, you see me? Them say I get the hits, him consistent with the hot song them, but not hits. You understand? Because if you create so much hits, bro, you're supposed to do some, you're supposed to be that man where we are still pull some big crowd. You understand? Yeah, that brother. You see, but I say things set, that is a damn thing. Yeah, but people, when I don't know a thing set, you know. One Media Fox pan it up, you know. Yeah man, and big up everybody for the support and big up the people who wanna rate Media Fox. I say thing go. Wanna still am a fan. Yeah. You see me? Wanna still a support me see me. You see me? Either if you wanna comment or wanna watch a video and touch and all that. I wanna still a fan. Cause the greatest thing wanna listen what I go on. You see me? Una might agree with me, but I saw a thing said. You see me? But people, big up on yourself, you know, they don't know one Media Fox don't. That is it.